what's up, YouTuber? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play I Will Survive on acoustic guitar. So I'm doing a revamp of some of my old videos because I got some new equipment and it looks better now. So it will be a lot of old songs plus new songs every day just to clean things up. But it's good. If you missed some songs, you can just revisit. This is a fun song on acoustic guitar and fairly easy. We got A minor. 1, 2, 3. We got D minor. 1, 2, 3. We got G major. 1, 2, 3. We got C major. 1, 2, 3. Got F major. I like to play F like this. 1, 2. A fifth in the bass and pinky here. And then we got this chord here, B minor 7 flat 5, which is 2, 3, 2, 3. Almost sounds diminished. It's like half diminished. We got an E7, E sus, sorry, to E major. So E major, 1, 2, 3, sus, add pinky, second fret on the G string. Okay, so the switching is like this. 1, 2, A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, D minor. 3, 4, G major. 3, 4, C major. 3, 4, F major. C, 4, B minor 7 flat 5, and E sus to E major. Down, up. Down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 down. Let's see. Down, up, down. Down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, down. Time, come on. Cool. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Fun song to jam. I'll be back tomorrow. Take it easy. Be safe.